And it's good morning to Alistair Campbell. Out. Finger goes up. Mashvaure just marks his guard. He doesn't think he's nicked it, or he's trying to keep his eyes away from Ian Gould, but Ian Gould has raised the deadly digit, and yet again Usman Khan Shinwar. Nice shot, full face of the bat from the captain, and he'll get a bounce. It's a good shot. Chibaba through the covers for out. False shot, bottom hand coming off the bat, and mid-off tumbles forward. Yasser Shah in the action. Junaid Khan strikes, and the big fish for Zimbabwe.
Short again. He's got the top edge, hasn't he? I think it's come off the glove. And another wicket for Junaid Khan and Pakistan. That's a good delivery. It was short, he wasn't expecting it. Quick. And Tarim Sakanda looking to pull this one away. That's how they've lost some wickets. What a good catch. Wonderful delivery from Faheem. I don't know if he really had to be playing at that, PJ Moore. Quite far outside his eyesight, and another outside edge. And a good catch.
And another one. So the fifth wicket down. Faheem Ashraf just angling the ball back in. Maybe a little bit of nip off the surface, but it's not working for Zimbabwe. Beating batsman for pace this time.
He's been hit. Sports club against Sri Lanka. Nicely played. Well,
through the
gone. You talked about him staying inside the line of ball. He did there. Just a little bit of nip off the seam, outside edge, and another good catch.
Faheem Ashraf hitting the seam yet again, and this one just offered to move away or just
in schoolboy cricket. And there's another one again. Too far inside the line. He hasn't got that front pad in line with the ball, and he's lost his leg stump. Just goes from bad to worse here for Zimbabwe. They really are in all sorts.
That's into the gap. That's a good shot. Nice. 50 overs. That's into the slot for 4. That is a good shot. I think he was commentators curse. Well bowled, Alistair Campbell. That one hit the toe in and went on to hit the stumps. So Faheem Ashraf has been having a great time of it. His 3rd wicket. He's been accurate. He's been, in fact, that's his 4th wicket. 4 for 19 now.
One of this series. Glanced fine. And they go all the way for 4. Big shout for LBW. The finger goes up. It was very full in length. And in the end, umpire Matabiri deciding that that ball would have cannoned into leg stump. So a success for... And he gets it. 5 for Faheem Ashraf. Tremendous effort from him. He gives thanks. And look at the way the players are reacting to his achievement. Zimbabwe all out for 67. Tremendous bowling from Faheem. And that really does...
very long.
Oh, gone, caught behind. That's glove to the keeper. What a start. That'll lift Zimbabweans, surely. A snorter not being able to get away from that line. Imamul Haq, what a first ball to get. He was flying up in the air, the batsman, and the Wycliffe Deacon is the physio for Pakistan. That's a glorious cover drive. How good is that from Babar Azam? May not reach the fence, but everything's so right about that drive. By Pakistan for a win, edge, and almost a stunning catch. Where's the second slip? Yeah, that's a fine shot. That really is a very... And Garawa has been punished this time. He's waiting for this length. Yeah, pure timing, finding the gap through the point area. And that's gone up in the air. Will land safely. It's a miscue from Fakhr. It's a bit of a fall for the fielder. Ah, how good is that?
That's where Fakhr likes them. A little bit of width.
That much to the left-hander.
4 more.
I think on a drier surface, as Fakhr
4 fours in the over so far. Well, that was 2-2-2 is the call. Blessing his head on the... That's it. 241 balls to spare for Pakistan. We're still 25 minutes away from the scheduled lunch break. And they've secured victory, a crushing victory by 9 wickets to take an unassailable 3-0 lead in this